Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to the channel. So first off, for all the natural nail care tips, tricks, and routines, make sure you are subscribed. Hit that button, it's free. Now, as you can see, I'm working with two very different manicures. One is definitely House of Light with the gorgeous blush, and the other one is my Gothic Heart. But what I'm pointing to is actually two stress fractures that happened on my nails while we've been packing to move. So we have a huge move that we're undertaking as of this Wednesday, the 26th. We are going to be cross-country moving all the way through Ontario to British Columbia. I am going to go where the mountains live, and I am so excited for it. So be prepared. There's going to be tons of vlogs and all the magic of our cross-country road trip. But in preparation of that, me and my partner have been packing up like my studio bins and things of that nature. And while doing that, your girl broke nails. And it's so funny because you'll see in an earlier video, I did a whole cutting my nails down for the trip. Yeah, but I didn't cut them. I only cut them a teeny bit. And the moment I started touching boxes and our big bins, I just knew it wasn't going to work. So this is going to be, as we're talking about work, a watch me work. I am going to take down these nails, shorten them as short as I can, because this is like a nail sin right here. These gorgeous long nails. But it's okay, because as you guys have seen, using Madam Glam's Holy Trinity, their base coat, Builder Gel Pure Serenity, and their top coat in any color of your choice, you can have the most healthy, long and strong nails. So I am going to be cutting down these bad boys and showing you my routine. And this is an extreme cut. So let's get into all the magic. And thank you so very much for coming into this video. I hope you're having the most amazing day.
Party had to be so crazy. Sun kissed by the Cali. All the girls got the bodies. Take a shot on shorty. High key never faded. Fast cars cause they're bending. Matte black keep it wavy. So dark like I'm Hades. Let me vibe with you, lie with you. Yeah, everybody's talking about us. Let me ride with you, get high with you. Yeah, everybody's talking about us. We're gonna want it night. We're gonna want it night. We're gonna want it night. We're gonna want it night.
Yeah, we're waking up the neighbors till it's 5 a.m. Like we're rich and famous. They will never change us. Yeah, we're all so reckless. We're taking flight. Like we're rich and famous. They will never change us.
Every night I hear be hazy. 100 bills on the daily. We ain't ever slowing down. Keep going till we pass out. Yeah, it's automatic pleasure. I got a girl, better tell her. 10 shots in the cruising. Gonna put me on the floor, yeah. Let me vibe with you, lie with you. Yeah, everybody's talking about us. Let me ride with you, get high with you. Yeah, everybody's talking about us. We're gonna want it night. We're gonna want it night. We're gonna want it night. We're gonna want it night.
Yeah, we're waking up the neighbors till it's 5 a.m. Like we're rich and famous. They will never change us. Yeah, we're all so reckless. We're taking flight. Now we're rich and famous, but they will never change us.
You think I'll beg for mercy? Fall to my knees to be your girl. Are you really that deluded? I wouldn't touch you for the world. 'Cause I wake up in the morning thinking this is my new love. And I know we break up in a week because of your snowman syndrome. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. Don't need your conversation, babe, I'm afraid you're out of luck. That's too much information. Don't care about miles, that's yeah. Whatever. I know. You wake up in the morning thinking this feels dumb as hell. I know. No one could ever love you like the way you love yourself. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. Ain't no way I give it up, move to you like I'm in love. You want it, but can't get it. Baby, I don't give up. Do I look like I'm in love? You want it, nah, you can't get it. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. I wish you were as big as, I wish you were as big as, yeah, I wish you were as big as your ego. Ain't no way I give it up, move to you like I'm in love. You want it, but can't get it. Baby, I don't give up. Do I look like I'm in love? You want it, nah, you can't get it.
One step for our love, one giant leap for us. Together we'll light the night. I don't ask for much, your heart is enough. I never want to see you cry. Take me home for just one night. Promise I can make you feel alright. Take me home for just one night. Let me light the fire in your eyes. All night like we royalty. You and I, we were meant to be. Come with me, let me take you right there into the stars. All night like we royalty. You and I, we were meant to be. Come with me, let me take you right there
fly whenever you're by my side. Baby, I'm here to stay, so cast your doubts away. Don't let your feelings hide. Take me home for just one night. Promise I can make you feel alright. Take me home for just one night. Let me light the fire with your eyes. Oh, like we're royalty. You and I, we were meant to be. Come with me, let me take you right there into the stars. Oh, like we're royalty. You and I, we were meant to be. Come with me, let me take you right there into the stars.
Stop playing games, I need a taste. What I'm waiting for. Oh, your smooth talk just ain't enough. You got to give me more. It takes a lot to lock me down, so show me what you got. We can't keep on going on like this.
Come on and make me jealous. You've got to turn it on. You know I love the chase, but I can only wait so long. Come on and make the effort. Don't leave me hanging on. You know I love the chase, but I can only wait so long. Wait so long. Wait so long.
So much unsaid inside my head, I want to say to you. Can't wait forever, just tell me whether you feel the way I do. Just let it out, no room for doubt, just say I feel it too. We can't keep on going on like this.
Come on and make me jealous. You've got to turn it on. You know I love the chase, but I can only wait so long. Come on and make the effort. Don't leave me hanging on. You know I love the chase, but I can only wait so long. Wait so long. Wait so long.
You hide your feelings every time. There's no point in trying to hide. So go ahead, give me a sign. 'Cause we won't know if we don't cross the line.
Come on and make me jealous. You've got to turn it on. You know I love the chase, but I can only wait so long. Come on and make the effort. Don't leave me hanging on. You know I love the chase, but I can only wait so long. Wait so long. Wait so long. Till I can
believe. I got a confession, I got a fixation. I'm locked on you. Do you believe you're my obsession, my elevation, my only muse? Got a wandering eye that only chases you. Every move you make, I know my mind will follow. You say they just your friends, but me and your boys ain't cool. I leave them alone. I want you to know. I need you to know.
Thank you so very much for watching my updated nail care routine. As you saw, I did a shaping. I tried to go for more almond oval with these gorgeous baddies, these shorties. They are ready for the most darling manicure. And you guys got to make sure you hit that subscribe button because the manicure that's about to go on these phalanges is so stinking precious. Thank you so much for watching. I pray no matter where in the world this video found you, it found you so well. I hope you do all things with love, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.